Year 1959, molten iron flowed from Parvati, the first blast furnace of the first integrated steel plant in the public sector at Rourkela. It was followed by the second plant at Bhilai the very next day. The third plant at Durgapur also went on stream the same year. Thus began a new era 60 years ago, an era of progress, an era of self-reliance, an era of turning sleepy towns into bustling steel cities, an era of building a new India, obscure places in India's inaccessible rural heartland transformed into landmarks that punctuated the country's length and breadth. True temples of modern India thus emerged from nothing but green fields and brown earth. Steel Authority of India Limited was incorporated on January the 24th, 1973 to take the story forward from the brief scripted by Hindustan Steel Limited, to generate employment, to seed the hinterland with crystals of urban development, keeping pace with the collective aspirations of India. SAIL started with 5 integrated steel plants at Bhilai in erstwhile Madhya Pradesh, Rourkela in Odisha, Durgapur in West Bengal, Bokaro in erstwhile Bihar, Burnpur again in West Bengal, stainless steel plants at Salem, Tamil Nadu, and alloy steel plant at Durgapur, West Bengal, Vishveshwaraya iron and steel plant at Bhadravati, Karnataka were later added to SAIL's fold, and a ferro-alloy plant at Chandrapur, Maharashtra also joined the SAIL family, as did 2 refractories setups of SAIL Refractory Unit at Bokaro and SAIL Refractory Company Limited at Salem, and another steel complex at Calicut, Kerala. Unknown to many, SAIL also has the distinction of being the second largest iron ore miner in the country. SAIL operates 7 iron ore, 1 limestone and 1 dolomite mine in mineral-rich belts of the country. The extensive marketing network of SAIL boasts of its presence in every district of this vast country. CMO's network of 37 branch sales offices, 46 warehouses equipped with mechanized handling systems, and 10 operational customer contact offices function in a synchronized manner to deliver quality sales steel to every corner of the country. After 3 phases of modernization and expansion, our crude steel production capacity has risen to 21.4 million tons per annum, a long way from India's collective steel production of 1 million tons per annum in 1947. Today, SAIL's production facilities boast of state-of-the-art units, with 3 of India's largest blast furnaces, the new plate mill at Rourkela, advanced universal rail mill at Bhilai, latest cold rolling mill with galvanizing facility at Bokaro, and the future-ready universal structural mill at ISCO. SAIL has kept pace with time and is geared to meet the ever-evolving requirements of an ascendant India. Today, SAIL is the supplier of 260-meter single-panel rails to the Indian Railways. Connected end-to-end, the total rails supplied by SAIL can circumnavigate the earth not once or twice, but more than 12 times. Maharatna SAIL has supplied steel to almost every prestigious project in the country. The Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world. Bogibeel, India's longest railroad bridge. Dhola Sadia, India's longest river bridge. Sardar Sarovar, one of the largest gravity dams in the world. Chenani Nashuri, the longest road tunnel of the country. PSLV, India's most successful satellite launch vehicle. Chandrayaan-1, India's maiden voyage to the moon. INS Vikrant, India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. Arjun, the Made in India main battle tank. The landmark Bandra Worli Sea Link in Mumbai. Vidyasagar Setu, the traffic lifeline between Kolkata and Howrah. Adi Yogi, the largest bust statue of the world. SAIL steel forms the sinews of these signature projects. SAIL has served the competitive overseas markets with its high-quality plates from Bhilai steel plant since the plant's inception. Post-modernization, the new plate mill at Rourkela is also working steadfast to meet the requirement of steel plates abroad. Several products of SAIL have been granted international certifications, such as the CE mark for export to the European Union. SAIL products have landed at shores near and far. SAIL's world-class products like plates, rail tracks, wheels and axles, wire rods, TMT bars, angles, channels and parallel flanked beams make us a part and parcel of every Indian's life. We have touched the life of every Indian. We have been the most dependable steel maker in the country and the most trusted catalyst of social change. We are SAIL, young at 60, raring to push the boundary, poised to propel India into the next orbit.